Hello everyone, this is your fitness coach Randhir. So today I'm talking about how to work on your triceps muscle, because there are three heads in your triceps: long head, lateral head and middle head. So let me show you how it works. Let's start with rope push down. Hold the rope tightly, step back and bend down a bit. Engage your core and bring your hands down until your arms are fully extended. Then return to the starting point. Make sure the line of movement remains straight. Next, I'll show you dumbbell kickback. Engage your core, maintain a straight spine, bend forward at the waist. Keep your upper arms close to your body and tuck your chin slightly. Hold your upper arms still and only move your forearms during this movement. Lastly, we'll perform close grip bench press. Lie flat on the bench and hold the bar with your hands at shoulder width. Now lift the bar with your arms locked. Inhale and slowly bring the bar down towards your chest. Keep your elbows close to your body. Exhale and push the bar up using the triceps and lock arms at the top of the movement.